Deputy Speaker, another profession carrying a big burden are the early learning profession. Workers in the full range of childcare and early learning environments, from family day carers to preschools and long daycare centres, have faced an unprecedented situation where their clients are receiving free childcare. Now, while on this side of the House we have a deep belief in the importance of quality early learning and love the principle of free childcare, none of us expected the people to be paying the price for the free childcare would be the centres themselves or their workers. It's complicated criteria that the government has applied, and directors tell me that they're still coming to terms with it and how they provide the quality learning environment they want with an income that's capped. Their income is capped, but the number of children who come back as restrictions eased is not. The bluntness of JobKeeper as a wage subsidy tool means newer casuals don't qualify, and it leads to some part-timers earning more and some full-timers earning less, and directors have rostering nightmares. I've been grateful to the family day carers like Moochie Kids and Cubby House and the directors of Hawkesbury and Blue Mountains centres who've Zoomed with me and shared with me the challenges and the lengths that they've gone to keep their children safe. I say to them, you've let me into the anxious world that you're surviving in, and you've allowed me and Labor to advocate on your behalf. Parents, though, are also feeling the stress, from the one who's called because they were worried their centre might close, to people like Kieran Ashton, who wants his youngest daughter to join his son at Cubby House in coming months and recognises that Tracy won't get paid for it. And he's happy to pay, but he isn't allowed, so it's a system with flaws. Early learning on George in the Hawkesbury is one centre battling bureaucracy. Director Karen Nightingale tried to have her numbers reassessed through exceptional circumstances because her centre had 2 days of low numbers when a tree had fallen in storms across the centre's backyard during the reporting period. Now, her application was rejected based on her post-COVID numbers. But Karen tells me she's seeing an increase in attendances and will be back to 97% capacity for every day next week, but funding it on the lower income. Now, while Karen recognises JobKeeper has made a massive difference, and we knew a wage subsidy would, and that's why we badgered the government and we're pleased they introduced it, but Karen hasn't got funding for all the children returning next week without a review of her income. So these are the challenges that people are facing day to day. I can't stress how important the financial security is to help people keep good mental health at this time. To even suggest that financial support is to be wound back or reviewed in some way, or you have to keep proving eligibility, is a really cruel thing to do, and especially given that only this week is JobKeeper money starting to get into most people's accounts.